much, Gargi. Mumbai is up and running. It's the 6th Mumbai Marathon. 35,000 people will be on the streets of Mumbai. 2 lakh people cheering them on. Let's just show you one of the stands where we are right now. Now, this is really the celebrity stand right behind me. Lots of politicians have gathered here. Local politicians. We can see Anil Dharkar. At one end, there was also George Abraham. There was Priya Dutt here just a short while ago. Lots happening today. Really, the underlying message and the theme of this marathon, if one can call it that, is really Mumbai getting up and saying no to terrorism, bouncing back. This is a city which has suffered quite a bit, but today at 6:45, all that changed. Thousands of Mumbaikars got up, gathered here at the Azad Maidan. Now, these are roads which are generally chock-a-block with traffic, but today there's traffic of another kind. These are Mumbaikars coming up and moving, getting up and running for the city, for peace. The first marathon was flagged off, that is a half marathon, and thousands of people joined in. We also had a couple of celebrities running the half marathon, among them Soha Ali Khan, actor. Also, Sharmila Tagore was there, along with her, Gulshan Grover, Tina Ambani. So, corporate houses, corporate India, celebrities, actors, all coming together, really talking about the city. We also had Priya Dutt, Congress politician, who was also there as part of the marathon, and everyone today has gathered here cheering Mumbai. But among all of them, we also had 2 NDTV reporters, Tejas Mehta and Rupali Tiwari, who also are running the half marathon. Let's see how they're faring.
Okay, I finished about 4 kilometers till now, and Rupali, we are going quite steady, I think.
Yes, I think we're doing fine, but there's so many more kilometers still to go. It's a 21-kilometer race, and look at the kind of spirit. I mean, just look at everyone just running for a cause.
I wanted to ask you, you stay in Delhi now. We are seeing once again after 26/11, the smile on the faces of people is returning finally.
It's returning, and look at the way the people are just the ones who are not participating. They've lined up the streets. They're cheering us. They're clapping. They're applauding. It's just the spirit, and everyone's running. Especially this is the first race after the 26/11 terror attacks.
Okay, to be fair, I have run 21 kilometers 4 to 5 times before in my life, so I have some sort of acclimatization to this sort of race, but it's the first time Rupali is doing it. But I'm doing it a very long time, almost after 7 to 8 years. So it is not all that easy, but let's see how it goes as we proceed.
Well, that was Rupali and Tejas Mehta, both running the half marathon. Let's see how they finish it, and we'll be bringing you updates from them as they run the entire 21-kilometer stretch, which is notified for the half marathon. But this event has really brought Mumbai out in the streets. It's not just youngsters. That's what everyone thinks. Marathon is about young people running. Well, this marathon is about the entire Mumbai coming out and celebrating, cheering. The message clearly is we are back, and also celebrating in that spirit, soaking in that spirit, senior citizens. Nearly 2,000 of them who ran today in the Senior Citizens Run, which was just flagged off a short while ago. There were also people, there was a wheelchair event, so lots of people also on wheelchairs coming out on the streets of Mumbai, also showing their presence and making their presence felt. Senior citizens really coming out with the message, very many of them dressed in colorful clothes, and the message is basically saying, let's say no to terrorism, let's stand united against terrorism.